Friedewalde, a village in the northeast of North Rhine-Westphalia in western Germany. This is where Kruse Friedewalde agricultural contractors are based. Henning Kruse is junior manager of the contracting business. He completed his studies in specialist agricultural services and is now studying for a master's degree. Henning's father started the business 25 years ago to focus on providing a complete range of agricultural services for farm businesses, including crop protection. At the time of our visit at the end of September, the 2018 cereal harvest has already finished. Slurry spreading and tillage are underway, this time simultaneously, especially for our cameras. In addition to the two trailed slurry tankers, two Claas Xerion 4000s were acquired in 2014 and 2017. These 400 horsepower self-propelled machines clock up at least 1,000 work hours per season. And this is purely on slurry spreading, using either the injection method, a drag hose, or in combination with tillage, as in this case. Even the spreading logistics have had to keep up. 28 cubic meter carting tankers with large format tyres and positive steering were bought from S. Kruse Fahrzeugbau. Lorries are also on hand. The turbo fillers, or pumping technology on the carting tankers and on the Xerions, are all from Vogelsang. The 16 cubic meter containers from SGT and Kaweco are filled in no time at all, via the high-performance rotary lobe pumps with a capacity of 12,000 litres per minute. The title frame for spreading slurry has become shorter and shorter over the past few years. The demands placed on spreading technology have increased further since the German fertilizer ordinance was issued. The Xerion enables Kruse to offer their customers direct incorporation of the nutrients, even on a section-specific and, of course, speed-dependent basis. Nutrient analysis is carried out on one of the machines using NIR sensor technology. The Xerion's acreage performance when working with the 6-meter Lemken Rubin or the Horsch Tiger of the same width varies between 3 and 4 hectares per hour. Due to the different working methods, the machines are not normally used on the same piece of land. The Rubin short disc harrow is best suited to flat cultivation, whereas the Tiger can work up to 30 centimeters deep, depending on what the customer prefers. For direct incorporation, customers are billed based on work hours and hectares covered. Just a stone's throw away, Henrik Kruse, the father, is working with the Lemken 6-share plough and furrow press. For this customer, the fields are being prepared for sowing winter barley. The agricultural contractors fleet comprises 12 tractors in total. Two months later, it's mid-November, and the beet harvest is underway. This is a new line of business for Kruse agricultural contractors. Due to restructuring in the region, there was some potential to move into harvesting work. Kruse seized the opportunity by investing in the Roper Tiger 5. The harvester is powered by a 626 horsepower Mercedes-Benz engine. The 3-axle root harvester is equipped with slope compensation, a big advantage for some customer contracts. The Tiger 5 harvests around 1 hectare per hour. The yield per hectare hovers around the 100-ton mark for most growers in this area. Moving into beet harvesting was worth it for Kruse. Even now in November, it is clear that expectations are being met by the number of customer contracts and the performance of the harvester. A 12-row Vederstadt tempo stands at the ready for sowing beet seed in spring. Despite diminishing sugar beet quotas, this queen of the field crops is experiencing a renaissance in Kruse's territory. According to Kruse, the cultivated acreage has doubled. Many farmers value sugar beet for its ability to loosen up their cereal-heavy crop rotations. From here, the beets are delivered to the Pfeiffer and Langen sugar factory, around 60 kilometers away. This customer entrusted a large proportion of their fieldwork to Kruse agricultural contractors. As soon as the harvest work is over, the arable land is prepared for seeding again. The Horsch Tiger returns to action for tillage, and Henning Kruse is back at the wheel for this contract. Winter wheat is sown by a 6-meter wide Lemken solitaire. Rows are spaced 12.5 centimeters apart. From mid-November, some peace and quiet returns to the contractors for a few weeks. Time to dedicate some time to the fleet, the paperwork, and to some sales calls. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into life at Kruse Agricultural Contractors. There are lots more reports from the world of farming and farm machinery for you to watch on www.farmworld.tv.